A representation of residents of Hima Langrin had met the Deputy Chief Executive Member and also member in charge of Elaka Department of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pynshngain N Syiem, today to apprise him of the misleading and baseless facts about the Chief of Hima Langrin, Nangtei Syiemiong, that were recently presented before the KHADC authority by the Seng Samla Langrin through one P S Lyngdoh. On the same, the residents of the Hima, that include traditional heads, sardars and others, have denied all allegations against the province chief and maintained that since 2011, peace and harmony has been prevailing across the entire area. Speaking to reporters today, a representative of the people of Hima Langrin informed that the image of the chief has been tarnished by P S Lyngdoh and the Seng Samla of Hima Langrin, who had obtained signatures of residents on blank paper, which likely amounts to duress.
Kalau ini kijing sa persubaklah hakini ki Seng Samla. Kalau kita kimat tiba pensai kini kiramba kimat bagawai kadai ke bagusem besar bor bagawai kata ke jini atli ki bor besar hapo jong kaima dan nomor bakam semdon kum kata te da ke jing tho ngila da bu ke jing pesai bat ni buru ke jing kepat bisa rapi nsm te nakaliang jong i ong ba nakaliang jong i kum ka diskusel hi sisen bala don kanu ka komplain ni hap kan tadi but ni hapan panpet hi ya ke jinsa te pangkumta hi wong but lada don kam ban khot kum ka ban khot kum ka hireng ro misal khot te pan yo ya ke jinsa le se kala bande lung bagi kot isla te but nakaliang jong ni long ki bakloi lada sarpin sin khot ni hakan kun po nomor ba kum bangila depen ba nakaliang jong nyem sem don hakanu kata ke jitu ke bari kita nakaliang muslim ke istighfar dan penbek yo paiba ne ban penseu yo paiba ha ke bari begitu nganga pise di ba kam sem long kum kata nomor ba em long tei ju le maroi ya kanu ke ule da ka rai jong ke istighfar te itu to long tang ke jing pentu bre nakaliang jong pi kum kinong persa angrai kom ke ekstrovert ngari wing kepat ke ekstrovert ngarti belang paswa bangin penukam ya kanu kapisa ba de phone jong hima ni rai da ekstrovert ke kam sumdon kom kata
romut ke jing keno jong mbak PS Lyngdoh peritang menilam baklah
ha 4% ke jing keno jong mbak PS kalau tang na kamta ban perustu bakla ya ki ba ngamte ke jing jong kadai sai rai na kalian jong ni pensai ba Muslim juduan kata kajing lek marwai kajing penuh kambak lah andai ulek hi ya ke bapa ba hadu mentang ni tu sur ki hajar ni sakti ba ba upadon kum kata kajing lek marwai ni kajing lek tombol gitu.